everyone, my name is Angel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be talking about my prestigious college, the AFE BABALOLA University. This video is going to give you an updated information on everything you need to know about this school, Abuad. So first of all, the size of the school. The school is really large. It is very, very large. If you get to this school and you want to go somewhere, you eventually get to that place and you don't know your way back, you have two options. Ask people around you. Don't be shy. Ask people around you. And when you ask the people around you, please let them know that you don't know your way around here and they should keep the info detailed precisely. Because I remember my second day here, I asked someone for an address and then the person just pointed the way, whatever. I ended up passing the bushes, and to be honest, they made roads for you to pass to get to wherever you want to go to in this school. They don't plant bushes for you to pass through. So if you are passing through a bush to get to anywhere in this school, know that you are going the wrong way or you are going the hard way. Okay, so please let them be precise. All right. And number two, just keep going straight, because the school, I don't know, the person that built this school, the architect is really good, because this school is not exactly built in a circle, but trust me, when you're moving like you're moving in a circle. I don't know how it works, but that is how it works. So if you can't find your way, just keep going straight. You will end up finding your way. You're welcome. If you are coming to this school, I want you guys to know about the college. So we have 6 colleges in Abuad. In public schools, you call them faculties, but in Abuad we call them college. The first college we have is the College of Sciences. This college comprises of science departments that are not pure science. Yes, this college is for those that want to study architecture, computer science, agriculture, geology, and so forth. In Abuad, you don't wear formal wears like other private unis. We have college wears, that is, we have color codes. So for the College of Sciences, you're expected to wear yellow shirts with black pants or cream colored shirts with black pants. All right. Number 2 is the MHS, which stands for Medical and Health Sciences. This college is for those who want to study pure sciences, medicine, surgery, biochemistry, medical laboratory, nursing, anatomy, and so forth. Now, their color code or college wear is red. Please, if you're coming, don't wear dark red. Number 3 college is the College of Law. We all know that law students wear black and white everywhere. Number 4 college is the Social Management Science College, which is the SMS. Now, let me tell you guys something about this college. You know your arts department, social science department, and management science. That is, I'm talking about those who want to study language, theater arts, social sciences like media and communication, international relations, management science like economics, accounting, business administration. Yes, this college, SMS, brings 3 different faculties together as one. And our color code is blue. The 5th college is the College of Engineering, and their color code is green. The 6th college is College of Pharmacy, and their color code is lilac purple. Next up is the dress code. So there are 2 different dress codes. You have your dress codes during school hours, that is between 8 a.m. and 3 p.m. and you have the dress code for after school hours, which is between 3 p.m. and 8 a.m. again, except Saturdays and Sundays. So the school hours color code are your college wear. So during school hours, you're not expected to wear anything, whether you have classes or not. If you are not a law student and you want to go and meet someone that is an engineering student, you cannot go there without your college wear. You must wear your white and black to go into their college during school hours. Okay, now for the College of Sciences, Their dress code is yellow, beige, cream colored shirts with matching trousers or skirts, preferably black. Jewelries are not allowed except earrings. Excessively dangling earrings are not accepted. Full stop. Then the next college is MHS, Medical and Health Science. Their color code is red shirt. Don't wear any shade of red that is very dark. Yeah, with black pants. You cannot wear anything other than black trousers or skirts, and black shoes only. And your hair length should be at most bra length, nothing beyond the bra length. Yeah. The next is Social and Management Science. So far they have the most lenient dress code. You get to wear any shade of trousers or skirts that you want with your light blue or cyan colored shirts. Okay, and you get to wear any kind of shoe that you want as well, but jewelries are not accepted. For the College of Law, we all know that it is black and white shirts and skirts that they wear and nothing more, and you only get to wear black socks. You don't wear white socks, period. And your hair length for the College of Law should only be, it should not pass your neck, okay? You should not go beyond your neck, your hair length. Whether you are wearing a wig or whatever it is, your extension, you should not be beyond, you should not go beyond your neck. And also your hair color should be black. Extensions, wigs, your natural hair, black. Nothing other than black is accepted in the College of Law. For the girls in the College of Law, you only wear skirts. You cannot slay with trousers. It's not possible. And long skirts, or you'll be sent back to your hostels. And only packet shirts, please. We don't need the flowers and whatever. For the College of Engineering, you get black trousers and pants. I don't know if they wear other shades of trousers or skirts. Sorry, trousers or skirts. Mostly it is black that we see. Just keep it simple. And the last college is the College of Pharmacy. So you get to wear packet shirts, your lilac purple packet shirt only, with black pants, no white socks. You can't be too stylish in that college. It's not accepted. It's like purple version of law students, the colored version of law students. Period. For the college wears, there should be no statement. Statement shirts are not allowed. We don't want flowers and ballerina, Mickey Mouse. We don't want that. Your college wear should be simple, or you'll be sent back to your hostels, okay? For after school hours, as for the girls, you don't wear crop tops. If you wear crop tops, your bottoms should be able to cover up your waistlines and your tummy and your belly button. Nobody wants to see that, okay? And you don't get to wear sleeveless like this to leave the hostel, unless you have to cover it up. But why do you cover it up when you bought it to show it off? Don't even buy it. Don't bring it and come. But some people still buy it. So if you are bringing it, now you sabi. But you cannot leave the hostel like this. It's not possible. You'll be embarrassed back to your room to change your outfit. So guys, if your hair is also very long, you're going to cut it in front of 100 level if you're at 500 level, and you just bear the shame, because everybody will be wondering, why is your hair like this? Is this fashion? It's not fashion. It's the security lady scissors. Yeah. We have different kinds of food and different cafeterias and restaurants. We have the school caf, and we have external caf like Captain Cook, Season Deli. You know, the way you have your McDonald's, but just the lower version of McDonald's. Things are very expensive in Abuad. Something that is sold outside for 1,000 naira is sold here for 1,500 and above. It's not 1,000 any longer. You don't get to cook your food in Abuad. You buy the food in Abuad. So instant noodles and the rest of them are not accepted. They are prohibited. And the thing of electric kettles are accepted in Abuad. That's why this video is updated. Electric kettles are accepted in Abuad, just that you don't get to keep them with you. the porters or the security ladies keep them for you, and whenever you need them, they will attend to you immediately. You just go get it, do whatever you want with it, and return it to them. Water and electricity, they are not steady. They are not steady here, not because of the situation of Nigeria, but because Abuad decided not to keep them steady. Their reason is so that students go for their classes when they have classes. I don't see why that is a good reason, but it is well. The school will provide water for you for like 2 hours in the morning, and in the night 2 hours as well. From 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. you won't have water. That's your bathing water for washing your clothes and etc. You also get to buy the water you drink. You don't drink tap water, of course, so you don't have to worry about that. You're not going to starve or thirst. For the electricity, the lights will be turned off from 9 a.m. till 3 p.m. Those school hours, the learning hours, there won't be lights in the hostel, not in the college where you study, just in the hostel, there won't be lights. So if you are coming to Abuad, get your power banks, very, very important, and get big buckets for storing water. They will not tell you that one, but it is well. As for where you spread your clothes, we have public spreading rack or something. But to avoid issue of space and things like that, get your own drying rack to avoid issue of space and people pouring water and their water dropping. Some people pour water from their windows, so it might drop on your property. And if you have your drying rack, take them inside or it could get stolen. Yeah, rich kids steal too. Irons are not prohibited in the school. You can bring your irons to press or iron your shirts and whatever you want. As for fun, the school throws parties for the students almost every weekend. And the parties are not free. They are not free. That's what they don't tell you. We have parties, but they are not free. And they invite celebrity artists or celebrity guests sometimes. And the prices of the ticket depends on how big the artist or guest is. Yeah. And okay, yeah, that's just it. Then also we have dinner parties for every college. Those ones are free because they are part of you've made the payments the payments are a requirement from the school itself before you get into the school. So you don't have to worry about that. Now, dinner party tickets are free for the students of that college. For instance, the College of Law, their dinner party is free for all law students. For the College of MHS, their dinner party is free for all MHS students. So if you are not from that college and you want to attend their dinner party, you have to pay. You can throw birthday parties, surprise parties in your room. You can organize picnics, and you can even organize picnic for someone. You can start it up as a business if you want. You are free to do that as well. In Abuad, you are not forced to choose a religion, okay? If you want to go to church or mosque to pray, you are free to go. You are free to choose when to go as well. So if you do not want to go, it is your choice. Nobody is going to chase you out of your hostel to do so. The Muslims have their place of worship that's called the Owolabi Hall. That's where all Muslims worship at the same time. The Christians have one place of worship aside the Catholic. So if you are from Deeper Life, Christ Embassy, Winners Chapel, whichever one, you have one place of worship. That is the Abuad Chapel. There is no division of religion or whatever that is explained in the handbook. But yeah, we all worship in one place. And the Catholic also worship in one place as well. So there are 3 different places for 3 different religions. Basically, all the Christians aside Catholics worship in a place, all the Catholics worship in a place, and all the Muslims worship in a place. And nobody is going to force you. There are clubs in Abuad. We have the Drug-Free Club, Green Club, Abuad South Valley Association. Yeah, basically they are cinematographers or filmmakers club. Abuad literary and spoken words club. You are free to join or to belong to any one of these groups. Nobody's gonna charge you. You can have mirror in Abuad. It is acceptable. You can shop online, but you are only allowed to shop from either Konga or Jumia. Nothing other than that. We have malls in Abuad, so if your provisions run out, or you forgot, or you don't have creams, or you want to get things like Crocs, etc., we have shopping malls in Abuad where you can get them. And also in Abuad, we have junk foods and snacks like your ice creams, shawarmas, pizzas, and etc. So you do not have to worry about those things. They have got your back. Phones, gadgets, tripods, ring lights are accepted in Abuad. And you can also do your lashes and nails, but your nails should not be too long and too fancy. For your college wears, guys, one of the cliche trending things that students wear here is vests and loafers, the Doc Martin loafers. So if you want to feel among, you want to belong, get your vest, your sweater vest, and your loafers. Once you're entering 200 level, you move to another hostel. Yes, you move to an entirely different hostel, and we have different hostels. We have the 4-man room, the 2-man room, and the 1-man room. And you are also expected to leave your hostels from Mondays to Fridays. You're expected to leave your hostels before 8:30, because once it is 8:30, they get to lock the door. So if your class is by 1:30 p.m., you're sure to leave the hostel by 8:30 in the morning and just hang around. You can go to the library to read, because that's what your parents sent you to do. There are different sports in Abuad. We have the basketball, the volleyball, the badminton, tennis, etc. And you are free to belong to anyone that you like. You can also decorate your room any way that you like. As you can see my corner, yeah, you can use LED lights, vines, the fake ones, printed, images and whatever to decorate your room however you want. But you take them down once you are leaving. And at the end of your second semester, you are taking back home with you everything you brought. So if you are coming to this school, please don't bring excess luggage. Some colleges in the school are allowed to make 50% payments of their school fees and accommodation fees, but you're expected to make full payments before the beginning of the second semester. So yeah, you can pay 50%. And if you don't make the full payment before the second semester, during the second semester, you would be sent out of your hostel. We have barbing salon, we have tailors here, we have shoe menders, and the rest. Okay, everything is here for you in Abuad. Just know that you get to pay for the service, and they charge very high. Ceramics are not allowed. I cannot say more than that. So guys, some of the things I said in this video are exaggerated and some are underrated. When you come, you will know the full truth. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share them to those who might find them interesting. The thing is that Abuad is a very interesting school. It's full of surprises. It's a good school. Everywhere has its own advantages and disadvantages, to be honest. I like Abuad. Abuad is fun, and you should be here if you want to. Cross your heart, you'd like it. Bye guys, and thanks for watching.